I have received so many DMs on my Instagram channel iGeeksblog asking how the cinematic mode is, have you tested it, what are the results and how to activate it. Such questions made me think and creating a detailed video about the cinematic mode, and here I am. Hello everyone, I am Nikhil from iGeeksblog and let's understand the cinematic mode in detail. This year, with new iPhone 13 lineup, Apple introduced this new camera feature called cinematic mode. It's a separate mode in camera, just like video, photo, slow-mo or a portrait. You can switch it on and you can record videos in cinematic mode. Check out this video where Samir and Lakshya were talking about the upcoming iPhone 14. Lakshya is close to the camera and looking towards Samir and 100% focus shifted on Samir. But when Lakshya is looking back into the camera, the focus shifts back on him, and that too very smoothly. We tested it again with some natural lights and the transition from one person to another is very smooth and there is no delay in switching focus from me to Lakshya. It's proven that cinematic mode works fine with only humans in the frame, but what about when humans and objects both are in the frame? Does it work? Yup, it worked, but not exactly in a way when two humans are in the frame. The camera detected a human and I was in the focus. And we need to tap on the object to shift the camera focus. If I'm not into the frame, then focus shift to the plant. And then I move back into the frame, the focus shifted to me and nice bokeh effect applied to the plants beside me. Now let's test this feature for the two plants in one frame. Again, it looks great and the nearest plant to the camera is in the focus. And one single tap to the other object will shift the focus smoothly. We also shot one footage where Lakshya is a little bit away from the camera and is in the focus. And I tried entering into the frame. However, I was moving so quicker and looked into the camera, but it didn't catch me nor focused on me. I stopped moving and then focus shifted on me. I guess improvement is needed over here. I hope Apple will improve it soon as cinematic mode is dependent more on software process and less on hardware stuff. Basically, this is a software process, so we thought to record a footage with the front camera. And it worked. Me, Lakshya and Samir are in the frame and the first focus is on me. I looked at Lakshya and the focus shifted to him very smoothly. And then he looked at Samir and again the focus shifted on Samir. So when Samir looked down and Lakshya looked back into the camera, quickly the focus shifted back on Lakshya. And then focus shifted from Lakshya to me when I looked back into the camera. Focus transition from one subject to another is very smooth and that too without tapping from one subject to another. But what about the tapping gesture in the cinematic mode? So I guess there are two different types of tapping gestures. Let me talk about that. A single tap on the subject will shift the focus. Double tap on an object will lock the focus mode, and double tap on a person will lock AF tracking. I was on call and Samir recorded this footage and he activated the AF tracking lock by simply double tapping on the screen. I am in the frame, the background has a nice bokeh effect and the footage is sharp and perfect. Just in a case, if we change our mind and want the background or some other subject to be focused on, that we can do that too in post-processing of the video. Tap on edit button and turn off manual tracking. Now tap on the subject that you think to have the focus on. And it will simply shift the focus to it. Apart from this, you can also change the aperture value, edit the video for color correction, can apply filters on that and can do a few more things. But over here, you need to take a note, like this post-production can only be done in the Photos app of iPhone and not in any third-party app or other devices such as Mac. Even I noticed that the files I transferred to my Mac with AirDrop have a cinematic effect and the files I have transferred with the cable loses the cinematic mode effect. So take a look at this cinematic video footage where one is transferred via AirDrop and another is transferred with the help of lightning cable. And I guess the footage I have transferred with the help of lightning cable losing the bokeh effect. Team Apple, I think it's a bug and you need to fix it soon. So that was it with the video and the experience of cinematic mode is just wow. Now I hope you get the idea about all new cinematic mode, and I also I'll keep you posted you guys about the future update. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on all the notification to stay updated with everything Apple. Also do download our app iGeeksblog for some exclusive content about Apple. Like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and allow me to say goodbye. I am Nikhil signing off. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected.